Hey guys, want to see me create this look? Keep watching. Alright, so we're going to get right into it. So I'm going to be marking where the frontal is so that I don't have to remeasure the new frontal because I will be replacing this one. So when replacing a frontal, you'll simply just need to separate all the hair from the frontal and the hair that will be attached to the wig. So this is kind of going to be a demo on how you replace a frontal and how to do a watercolor method. Because I did previously color this frontal, it will be too difficult for the look I'm going for, so I prefer just to do a new one on this one. I had colored it previously like 3 times, so yeah, it's about time. So once you have it separated, you're going to go in and you're just going to cut the thread off. Now, it's obviously this one's a little easier because it's blonde hair and black thread, so I can easily identify where the thread is. But you want to make sure that you're cutting the thread and not the cap. And then it just easily pulls off just like that. Now we'll be adding the new frontal, and this is from Bombshell Studios. It's our 613 Blonde Bombshell collection. It is a traditional 13 by 4. I believe the length is 18 inches. So now what I'm going to do is line up the frontal with the wig cap, secure it with the T-pins, as you can see. On the sides where the T-pin is, you should have left it marked. That is your proper measurement. So it will be the same technique if you're replacing a closure as well. Now you just want to tie the hair from the frontal or the closure, whichever you're replacing, to get it out of the way. Then you are going to simply start resewing it, and you want to sew right. You want to pull it as close to the bundles as you can. It should already pretty much be lined up though. So you'll use the T-pins to kind of measure or mark where it's supposed to go, and then once you get where the T-pin is, you're going to pull the T-pin out and then just continue to sew. So it's really easy, it's really simple. The easiest thing to do is to replace a frontal or closure. And voila, she is as good as new, honey. You got you a whole brand new wig, child. And now I'm going to go in and customize the hairline. I have wetted. I just used a water bottle and my tweezers. And I'm going to go in. I'm not going to do too much because I am doing a color. And I don't like to do baby hairs with my color wigs. So I just want to create a nice natural hairline. Also, if you guys are still tuned in, thank you so much. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you would like a video on how I customize frontals, leave me a comment in the comment section and I can record one for you. Yes, ma'am, this hairline is looking good. I love a natural hairline. All right, so now to the coloring. So with the watercolor, I'm going to be doing a color melt. So you want to separate the front or the frontal from the back of the wig. You want to protect your lace. I use the Got To Be spray. You want to make sure that the lace is completely saturated. So you're going to completely cover the lace with the Got To Be. This protects it from the color. Okay, we're going to start with your lightest color. So you're going to pour the color into a bucket of hot water. You're going to then mix it until all of the little things flying around is completely dissolved. All right, you see how nice and clear that is? Now you're going to grab your wig, hunty. That's coming next. Grab your wig. This is so easy. So you want to, the reason why I have them in ponytails is because that's where the darker color is. So this is going to create the separation and let me know what not to color. And then you just dip it. I promise you guys, it's so quick. It's so easy. This coloring method has changed my effing life. Like, I kid you not. I love it. And you just dip. Just continue to dip until it gets the color that you're looking for. If you want it to be a little bit darker, a little bit more pigmented, you just keep dipping. Then you want to take this out. So now we're going to do the bottom. So that's why you always want to start with the lightest color, because light can fade into the dark, right? But if you do dark and the dark fades into the light, you're just jacked up. Okay, so now you're going to mix. I like mixing colors. It's my thing. So I'm going to mix these two together. Again, same process. We're going to we're going to keep stirring this, until it's completely dissolved. Then you're just going to dip the wig. Now you want to keep the top, so hold the whole top part up, and you're just going to dip the bottom of the wig into the color. Take it down as close, like you should be able to see that line of demarcation from where you had your ponytail holders, right? So you're just going to keep dipping all the way until it's that color that you're looking for, until it has that pigmentation that you want. And now the great thing is, when you're doing a lighter to a darker, you can even go up a little higher. If you see any spaces that maybe were missed, you can just lightly tap it in there. I swear to God, you guys, this takes like 15 minutes. It will change your coloring life. Like, it's changed my life. And voila, look how pretty she is. Oh my God. Like, 15 minutes, done. Now, whenever I use a fashion color, this is for a color lock. I'll leave that in the description box below. But this just keeps the color locked in and helps prevent fading. And also, you guys, this wig has 3 bundles of 22 inches from Bombshell Studios. Wow. Like, look at that, y'all. Oh my gosh. She is bomb. Okay, but do y'all see that hairline? Do y'all see the hairline, sis? Yes, sis is pretty. All right, so I've already blown her out, and look how amazing this color melt came out. So now I'm gonna prep it for my install. I just used a little bit of setting lotion. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm obsessed with this hairline. Like, oh. Okay, so back to this. Then I'm going to take my hot comb, and this is me. I'm just going to start setting the wig to make sure that she is going to be laying nice and flat. Yes, and shout out to my nail tech, Pam, because she did such an amazing job on my nails. They are like so pretty. It was like the whole perfect look. It went right. Like, my nails inspired my wig. Okay. It literally inspired my wig. So now I'm just going to set it in the middle part before my install. I like doing it this way because this ensures that my wig is not crooked. Like, like seriously, that's the whole reason why I put it on with a middle part. First is to line it up and make sure that my wig is not going on crooked. And if I ever decide to do a middle part, I know it's going to be like in the middle. So, and this really helps get all the hair like really super flat. Y'all know these wigs got to be flat, honey, okay? We do flat only installs over here. And look how pretty she is. Y'all, I am obsessed with this color. Like, this wig came out so pretty. So yeah, I completely deleted the footage of me actually installing the wig, so I'm sorry. But here is my makeup artist. She works at Bombshell Studios. I will link her channel because she's amazing, and we collabed, and she did such an awesome job on my makeup. Like, Breanna's the truth, y'all. So y'all make sure y'all go to her channel, subscribe. She's the bomb. All right? And bam, she is ready, honey. I was so happy with this finished look. Everything came out bomb. The wig was bomb. The makeup was bomb. My nails were bomb. Like, everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you soon.